So hello friends, now today I am going to teach you how to make a Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 Express program to find simple interest. So let's begin. First we will add a label, then we will put the text, enter principal, then we will change its font. I like Arial, rounded, empty, bold, and its size as 14. Okay, now to add a text box, here we will enter the value. We will name it as text1. Then we will add one more label. Here we will enter the text. Percent. Then we will change its font. Arial, rounded, empty, bold, 14. Now we will enter the text box. Here we will enter the value. Now we will add one more label. Then we will enter the text, enter time, then we will change its font. Let me arrange it. Now we will add text box. For here we will enter the value. Arrange it. And now we will add one more label. And we will enter the text. Its text is SI is equals to rupees, and then we will change its font. It will be Arial, bold, and let me make it 16. And we will change the name of the text box as text2, and this text box as text3, and then we will add one more label here beside it. We will keep its text empty as we want the result which will come to show here, so we will only change its font. First let me arrange it here. Afterwards I will empty its text. First let me add the button. This is the button. When we will click on it, it will show the output result. Afterwards we will code it. First let me enter the text of the button. It would be calculate SI, and now I will increase its font size and also the font like this. Now we will arrange the button. We can also change the background color of the button from here. I like this, so I do it. Now let me empty this label. All set. Now we will code our program. On this button you click 2 times and then we will reach the coding area. So let's start our coding. Dim p as integer, r as integer, t as integer, then we will dim si as double, then p is equals to variable text1 dot text, r is equals to variable text2 dot text, then t is equals to variable text3 dot text, then si is equals to, we will enter our formula, then we want the display in label5.text is equals to SI. And this is all our coding part. I will also paste this coding in my video description. Now let me show you the functionality by debugging the program. Let's say we enter the principal 5000, then the rate percent is 2% per annum, and the 4 years, and when we will click on this button calculate SI, it will show the output result. That means the interest is 400 rupees for 4 years at 2% rate per annum on rupees 5000. I hope you liked this video.